Takulandirani pano pa Malawi Live Today. Nduna ya ntchito Vitumbiko Mumba yalamula anthu ogwira ntchito pa state ya Kawalazi kuti asagwirenso ntchito pokhapokha kampaniyi itamanga zimbuzi. Takhalani pompo timvetsere kuti kodi zinayenda bwanji.
Is this something people can eat? In this month? Where's the water? Now, where's the borehole? These people have told me there's no toilet here, there's no borehole. They get water from the river where you clean the equipment with the chemicals for the tea. You said there are toilets here. And there are boreholes. The president for power, where are you? Come here. You were telling us there, come here, sit here with me. Stand with me. You were telling us there, nakusa nekuti inuyo mugwimira ntchito mabwana anu pakati mawekazi makana. Anthu anu awekazi unioni amene anabwera kwa inu kuseri kana kuti timaopa kuyankha baba president athu amativutisa inuyo. And I told, yes, and I don't want you to be on them, but I'm telling you now, they told me there, kuti timaopa kuyankhula apresident wa unioni amatiopyeza. Ndiye mujamanana kuti yayi zimbuzi zilipo mazi alipo. Now we are here at this farm. Show me one toilet and one borehole. We walk there right now. Inuyo and your bosses stand together there. You're together. Show me one toilet and one borehole right here on these two farms. In the office there, you are like bosses telling me we have got toilets, we have got water here and boreholes. Can you show me one at this farm? Let's go. Let's go. You told me you have water and toilet here. Let's go. Let's go and wages. We have discovered that the payment is 81,000 per day, per month for the workers. Or the minimum wage for the government for per month is 90,000. They have refused. Mabwana Akona would know we pay them more than that. We have asked for the pay slips, which we believe they'll provide by the end of the day tomorrow, if they're saying the truth. Because at the for evidence. As you have seen, the workers don't have protective clothing, no gloves. Majombo avala wanagula woka, and in a woka and wanagula woka sanajani sana agulire. But in the meeting there, the managers were saying anagulire protective clothing. But here we asked them, you said they have protective clothing. Yes. Can you show us? They have failed to show us. This farm and that farm, no toilet, no tap water or borehole. And to what makaona zitapi zinatunga mamazi utazima pokwila nchito. And they are complaining, saying that they spray chemicals muti. But the sprayers and the drums akamaliza amakasuka so musinji omweo otukamazodala mwe. These are human beings, not dogs. Even dogs get clean water. Then someone has got the guts to say, hey, don't touch tea estates. For what? For what? Here we are. We have touched the tea estate. And God, the grace of God will protect us. There's no two ways about it. There is a tendency at this farm. Employees work for 11 months contracts. Because there's a law that if someone will be a gang for 12 months, I mean, for Malawi is a permanent employee. Their company, amalemba nchito 11 months. Nikuambia so contract ina. Kutoa jani, walemba nchito pa permanent basis. Ena, upgrade 26, 29, 15, 8 years on a ganyu basis. Is that fair, Malawians? For people to work on a farm, tea estate, exporting tea elsewhere, making money and profits. But under for more than 10 years, 29 years on a ganyu basis. Wafusa kutia in Malawi napanga out as union, the IT association. We have to consult the Attorney General because I've spoken to the PS and the Labour Commissioner. We all feel this is inconsistent with the law of Malawi because the Constitution of Malawi is supreme and anything that contradicts the Constitution of Malawi is illegal. So the Commissioner of Labour and Madam PS, they will verify with the Attorney General, and if this is not, if this is consistent with the law, then all the people that have worked here on a Ganyu basis from the day they started, as long as more than a year, they must be formalized, they must be permanent employees, and they must be entitled to pension. And that will be done soon after we have verified with the General and considered the law, because we want to be within the law. People have complained, Akadwala, Amadula, no pay. Komanso Akadwala is on their own. Yet and who are announced to Katengeda Kumulanje 11 years ago. Iwo jamakana no satekepo anthu. Kofusa mabwana wena jaji ayikuda jautini yayi abulapompa wana 6 years ago sagodziwa. Inaka anthu akumulanje kucholo kudeza 11, 15, 20 years ago asagodziwa. Yet yani amakana chusa mangokana. We have come here that tieni watu onese chani kusaiti kwa kufield. Tabuya kunoko tuweze chimbuzi. Ah no, it's the next farm. Come on. We said, is this farm that is right toilet? I go to next farm. Next ende panopa for 2 kilometers. Ndio kuti mutagura nchito aende 2 kilometers apita kuchimbuzi. Assuming kuti chimbuzi koko because akunena kuti all the farms they are not toilets, no boreholes, no water, and you have seen for yourself what is happening on the ground. Gratuity akuti amadulidwa saziwa kuti enda banji nzezo na claims anthuwa. We have demanded them to give us tomorrow to the general office my receipts as many zozo, my pay slips and all that. But all this is happening, we feel, these are Kalabwin. Last week, Titagwira upon Nagwira Skero, I would have got young Guazo, RSA at 60 kilograms. Makosana, Masambawa, 60 kilograms, but it's not a small job. Now, Kuna Skero, Kuna calibration, year 2022. It was supposed to be recalibrated in 2023. It's now 2 years, no recalibration. Wafusa mjaudia iliko fesi kwanga. Malawi Bureau of Standards ikapanga calibration. Imamata kandichani imamata badipo pompo. The way you go to Malawi for service with your car, abanga service the amamata the sticker pa gali ngoto baja. Sopa manjo batumba gudi onyamule yai. Ndauza kuti the 5 o'clock abweresa but abweresa ndeuti everything amakabuja akunama. Za protective clothing anama, za jimbuzi anama, za mazi anama. Is this I doubt if there's anything. I don't think there's any truth that comes out of the manager's mouth. I don't think so, because everything will prove them wrong here. That's why I said let's go to site and prove right here. I think for now those are the major issues. And by the way, the Labour Commissioner has issued a prohibition notice. Kuti farm iyi ndi iboeza tabeza umbono ogwirika asagwire so nchito pokapoka toilet awamangire boho awapase shedi yolelelapo. The hours they are waiting for the truck is not their fault. It's not their responsibility. It's the company's fault and company's responsibility to bring the truck to collect the tea. So if the managers are incompetent to manage logistics, to collect the tea, their incompetence must be transferred on the laborers. Are we together? These are the things that the laborers have mentioned and pointed out. Payment. They have said they are paid 3.4 thousand per day. When you calculate 24 days they work in a month, it's 81,000, which is below the minimum pay. The government said minimum pay is 90,000 for factories. You know that, huh? That's 90,000 per day, minimum. That's what I was asking you. Are you familiar with labor laws? So you are saying, no, we are telling the association. No. You as managers, you have to know, to be conversant with the laws of the country. How much, if you're serious about the people, how much does each laborer is supposed to get per month? Now,